What happens when a hedgehog becomes a hotel manager? Enter Harry the Hedgehog, who humorously finds himself at the helm of a bustling hotel, encountering guests with peculiar demands. From managing room key mix-ups to hilariously navigating a soap-slip adventure in the lobby, Harry's day turns into a comedy of errors. As he misplaces reservations and swaps gourmet meals, viewers experience the unexpected joy of chaos unfolding. Embracing the unpredictable ups and downs, Harry crafts unforgettable memories, making laughter the key business of the day. Tune in as the hilarious hedgehog tackles hospitality with heartwarming humor, proving that joy can arise from even the most prickly situations.